Construction for copying a triangle. To copy a triangle, there is an angle copy, segment copy method, but I prefer the copy 3 segment method. So we're going to copy AC, then we are going to copy AB, and we are going to copy BC. So the first copying is just like the segment copy. I need to take my straight edge and draw a line that is longer than AC. And I'm going to put an end point on it. Now I have made the decision that this triangle is ABC, and I am going to make triangle DEF. So when we look at what letter corresponds with which, this is the first letter for our current triangle. D is the first letter here, so this is going to be point D. All right, so I'm going to copy AC. So remember, when you're copying, you're using the end points as your radius for your compass. So I'm going to open up my compass all the way. And actually, this is a beautiful opportunity. See, my inside point can't reach there. So this is an opportunity to use that outside arc. There we go. My outside arc to copy this line. So I am going to show that I'm copying the length of the line by doing an arc here. And I got to say, I use the outside, use the outside, use the outside, use the outside, so I don't forget. And I'm going to use the outside. All right, so now this point right here corresponds with C, so it's going to be called F. So we have one side. If we were to copy the angle, either A or C, you would get the next line. We're not doing it that way. So when I copy AB, I'm copying the idea of how far it is away from A. So I put my center on A and slider on B. And I'm going to take that down. Now I really should be like, oh, my point B is going to be somewhere in there. That's that estimation piece that we talked about. So when I go to swing my arc, I'm not putting it down here and I'm not putting it way over there. I don't need it there. I need it in this area. I make this arc semi-generous because I don't have the other place. Now, if we then used copying an angle, we would know where to put it on this line, but we don't. But we do know that the distance from D to this line is the same distance as A to B regardless. So now we're going to copy BC. So I go and measure B or C to B. And I bring that measurement down. And I mark off that distance. So now that I have those intersecting points, I have point E. I could have had those arcs up here as well as like mirrors to what I actually did. They are not required, but I tend to show them. These arcs that are on the copy are required to demonstrate that you did the construction. Now I connect all 3 points to finish creating my triangle. And now I have triangle DEF, which is congruent to triangle D or ABC.